Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earning disclaimer. OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner, Lettuce Spinner, Fruit Washer, Fruit Washing Bowl with Strainer, Vegetable Cleaner, Salad Cleaner, Lettuce Washer, 6.22 quart capacity. One-Touch OXO Salad Spinner. Did you know that OXO invented the One-Touch Salad Spinner? Its one-handed pump gives you maximum drying of lettuce with minimum effort. What makes the OXO Salad Spinner OXO better? This salad spinner has been designed to be the best, from the one-touch press to pump with force to the patented brake to stop the basket immediately with a simple press. And the non-skid base keeps it firmly in place. Store salad spinner neatly after use. When you're done using the spinner as a fruit and vegetable cleaner, press the pump handle down, then slide the storage lock into place. This holds the pump flush with the lid for stacking and storing. Multitasker not just for lettuce, the OXO Salad Spinner doubles as a vegetable and fruit strainer, and as a serving bowl. Spin lettuce, herbs, beans, or fruit. Or use it for meal prep as a lettuce keeper. Wash your lettuce before dinner, pop it in the fridge and take it out when ready to serve. Thanks for watching and subscribe.